Lucky Shruti. In this video, I will show you how to turn your baby's old precious clothes into beautiful cozy DIY memory blanket. Instead of leaving those tiny clothes in a closet, you can stitch them together into lifetime keepsake. The materials needed for this DIY project will be given in the description box. Now keep the fabric interface, which is cut into a square shape, that is 20 into 20 centimeter. I have taken such 54 pieces. Iron it. The glossy one should face the fabric so that you can stick the fabric, and now cut the fabric along the square. So now the main part of the DIY project is ready, that is 9 rows into 6 columns. You can also see how we have stitched, how the layout looks from the back side of the fabric. I have taken old single cotton blanket. On that I am going to place our DIY part. Adjust the sides so that you can get equal spacing to cut it and stitch the edges. Fold the corners and secure it with the pins so that it should not slide and it will be easier for us to stitch. Here I am making use of a big needle so that it will be very easier for us to stitch. Here I am making use of my baby's small caps, booties on the blanket so that it looks very super cute. Now the baby blanket is ready. What is your favorite piece of baby clothing that you want to save forever? Let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe.